Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. It's a girl, Lady M. If it's your first time here, welcome to all my oldies, my regulars. Welcome back to the Lady M Beauty channel. Today, I'm going to be doing a review demo, first impressions on this new Caliray Free Dreaming Skin Wellness Diffusing Tint. Yes, I have heard so many good things about this, so I was so excited to pick this up that I could do a review for you and try out for myself to see what the tea is. So, if you're interested in seeing how this product works, how did it apply, and what my thoughts are, then you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today it's all about testing out more new products that I picked up during the Sephora sale. So if you haven't checked out what all I got, then go ahead and click the link and check out that video. But today I'm going to be talking to you guys or reviewing, doing a demo of the Caliray Free Dreaming Skin Wellness Diffusing Tint. And this is what the unit carton looks like. Love the colors, very spring summery. All right, some details about this. This is sexy sustainability, turns on 100% post-consumer recycled paper, box and plastic. The bottle, low impact decoration, so this beauty friend can go again and again. So again, upcycled plastic, cruelty-free, clean formula. What is it? Sheer blur coverage. So it's buildable and diffusing, lets your skin shine through. And listen, for the summertime, I'm telling you, that's what it's all about. Like nothing too heavy, just let your skin shine on through. It's featherweight, natural skin finish. It's silicone free. With 94.5% of natural origin ingredients. And this is Deep Dermis Love. So functional dose of prickly pear extract for juicy hydration plus a vitamin C and E kicker. So that's a lot. It says clean foundation. So again, I just read everything off of the unit carton. It says that feeling of unhooking your bra, but for your face. That's a good description, right? Because I know that like when you've had your bra on all day and then you come home and you snap that hook and it's like, whoo, it's such a good feeling, right? Okay, so we already mentioned that this is a clean, super lightweight tint with 94.5% natural origin ingredients and regenerating antioxidant that hydrates and blur to minimize imperfections. I wanted to talk about some of the key ingredients. So it has jojoba oil, which amps up cellular energy, detoxifies, and helps the skin to glow. This product is vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. So coverage is gonna be light. I'm also today gonna be, I'm trying to do this clean beauty thing. So today I'm probably gonna use a lot of clean products. Another thing that I have started to do now is read what the brand recommends as far as how to use the product. So it says to shake well, apply on a clean face with fingers or a brush, smooth it on like a moisturizer. Where extra coverage is needed, buff and blend a small amount on the area using a light tapping motion. And then of course they want you to recycle the packaging and also the product. So it says the bottle is made of 75% recyclable plastic. The carton is made from 100% post-consumer recycled paper and can be recycled curbside. So use up the product, rinse the bottle with warm water and dish soap, and then it has a place that you can mail the product. So that is super exciting. I am happy to participate in the recycling process. All right, so getting into this Caliray, this retails for $39. I picked up the shade 16, so it's a slightly deep dream. So opened up the unicarton, and the packaging pretty much looks very similar to the box, and it does have a big sign here or big wording that says shake it. So I'm shaking it up because I'm about to go ahead and demo this. So as they said that this was gonna be sheer coverage. Oh my God. Yeah, so as they mentioned, this is gonna be sheer coverage. So I'm expecting it to come out very watery. And I don't have my little thingy here to put this on. So I'm just gonna drop it on this little thing here. And then I am just gonna take that and put that on. And I don't really think I need more. Probably just get a little bit for my forehead area. It smells really good. I don't even know how I would describe the smell, but it's smelling amazing. And I actually swatched this in the store. And I bought this, like I said, in store. And probably like on the last day of the sale, I made it into the store. Or maybe like the day, like almost the last day or something. So I have my Morphe brush, and I'm just going to work that into the skin. Now, I heard really good things about this, so I have been really excited to try this. I do think that, oh my God, the shade could be a little bit too dark. Oh, it smells like candy or something. It smells good. Yeah, I think I could probably get a different shade. It's like a little bit on the dark side. Dark, and then it looks, I don't know, red. It looks kind of red. A little bit. And just working that over. Nice. Cool. Not too shabby. What do you guys think? Have you guys used this already? If you have, let me know. I want to hear what you guys think. Okay, so other than the color, I'm looking and I'm like, do I see blur or no? But I'm gonna let it dry down, because sometimes I feel like you get to really see what the product does, like once it's really dry. So I am in no rush to kind of jump to conclusions. I do have a setting powder that I'm gonna use. This is a repurchase because the one that I had, I broke it. These things are very sensitive, so when they drop, they just crack. And this is the KOSAS Softly Cloud Set, and that's what I have. Well, Softly is the shade, and this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna use this to set my face now that I have the foundation on. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to let you guys see what it's looking like and also to give you my final thought. All right, so Caliray Free Dreaming Skin Wellness Diffusing Tint is lit, okay? You guys, this product is the real deal. Like blurring skin, perfected skin. Now, in the beginning, I was kind of skeptical because it said like sheer coverage, but does this look like sheer coverage to you? No, this is not sheer coverage. And I probably went in with 2 pumps of this product and blended it out. It said that you can use your hands, you can do your brush, or you could do a beauty blender, but I used the brush, of course, and I felt like it gave me the coverage that I was looking for with the brush. Now, this blurs, look at my skin, like you guys, this looks like I have on a full coverage foundation, and like I'm just here for this. This like has been what I have been reaching for the summer so far. It's even gonna go with me on vacation. So I am here for it. I love it. I love the way that the skin performs. I feel like this is A+, 2 thumbs up. Like if you don't have this, you need to go in store and cop yours because this is everything. I don't need to say anything else. It's just look at my skin. Just look at this. The shade that I have is 16 and the 16, and it says a slightly deep dream. So yes, I am here for it. I mean, the only probably negative thing that I probably would have to say is that it's not even, it says that it's a clean foundation, but it's marketed as a skin tint, a diffusing tint. So the only thing that I would say is if it's gonna be a skin tint, that I would have loved to have some SPF in it, but it's a foundation. So I feel like I would still put on SPF underneath this anyway, but it would just be kind of good to have some skin tint in this, especially for the summertime. Seeing as though it's so lightweight, it blends so easily, it's not cakey. Like I don't look cakey. I don't have no cakiness going on. I do have like a little bit of like it settling into my fine lines, but other than that, I don't have any negative things about it other than, you know, the SPF situation. So yeah, let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. What do you think? What is it looking like? Is it giving or nah? Let me know in the comments section down below. Let's have a convo. Have you picked this up? Are you going to pick it up? Like, what's the tea? Let me know what you guys thinking, okay? Okay. All right. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for joining me. And you know, if you're not subscribed, you know what to do. Take the time to hit that subscribe button. While you're there, turn on your notification bells because guess what? You don't want to miss none of these uploads, okay? All right, guys. Thanks, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.